How to cancel a Zelle payment. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process to cancel a Zelle payment is straightforward. So without any ado, let's get started. Head over to your bank's mobile app or visit its website. Log in using your credentials. After that, you should go to the Activity tab. This is to view your recent transaction. Select the payment and the specific amount that you want to cancel. So here is the catch. If the recipient has not enrolled in Zelle, you will see an option to cancel payment or stop payment. The wording may vary depending upon your device or bank, and then tap on cancel to stop the payment. However, if the recipient has already enrolled in Zelle, you cannot cancel the payment. It is because the funds are directly sent to the recipient's bank account upon hitting the send button. So, also for the scheduled payment for future date, you can cancel it anytime before the scheduled date by selecting cancel payment option. So unfortunately, if the payment has already been done, there is no process to cancel it, so you'll have to contact the recipients directly and request a refund. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.